Switch on the power. Connect the analyzer and computer with data cable. Press the power button on the analyzer to start up. The blue power LED lights up. The green status LED slowly blinks while self-testing. The green status LED stops blinking when self-test is done. Start the software. Click the software icon on desktop. The software application connects to the analyzer to run self-test and show the settings screen. Create new file and set properties. Click menu item File New or the toolbar icon. The Properties settings screen will be displayed first. Including instrument type, accurate 96 by default. Experiment setting. 2 types: experiment setting for choice, absolute analysis or melting analysis. If choosing melting analysis, and the chemistry will be set to SYBR green compulsorily. If choosing absolute analysis and chemistry choice are TACMAN or SYBR green labels. System setting. Tick out the box to use the lid heater. It is ticked out by default. Temperature control. Tick out the box to use the tube mode. Untick it to switch to the block mode. Adjust PMT setting to change the PMT gain from high, middle to low. The default is middle level. Instrument setting. Choose melt control between fast and standard. Fast mode only need half of the time comparing standard, as there are 2 channels for SYBR green used simultaneously. Material setting means choosing the PCR reaction tube's base on the color, white or transparent, 100 or 200 microliter low-profile tube, strip or plate is applicable. That is all for properties setting. Program setting. Click the Program Setting tab at the bottom. Set up the PCR program on this page. Click the corresponding button to add or insert segments, add, insert or delete steps in a segment. For example, for a 2-step PCR, select the unnecessary step, click the button to delete it. For a 3-step PCR, click the button to insert a step at the current position. To set the temperature, time and cycle number, click the corresponding position and input the value. Or you can double-click the blank area of the current step to show the step property dialog and enter the temperature, time and ramping rate. Tick out the gradient box to set up a temperature gradient from 60 centigrade up to 70 centigrade. Click OK. The estimate temperature of each column will be displayed on the right-hand side. Normally the fluorescent signal will be measured at the end point of the particular step, such as the elongation step. Set it to none if the measurement is not necessary. In melting analysis, set it to all point in the heating step to measure the fluorescent signal repeatedly. You can also set it on the step property dialog. Set the melt param to adjust the interval of fluorescent signal measurements. We recommend setting at 0.2. That is all for program setting. Sample setting. Click the Sample Setting tab at the bottom. Select the sample by position on the left side. Change the sample setting on the right side. Click the grid area to select a single well. Click the row or column head to select the entire row or column. Click the All button to select all the wells. Or you can click the Select All button on the right bottom to